lots and lots of cheese. First, it looks like there's not much vegetables. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Oh, it looks awesome. Guess what we're going to make today? Pizza! Yay! Yeah! I love pizza. Preheat the oven. We've roasted the bottom of the pizza base. Grease the pizza tray. Okay, there we go. Put the pizza base on the tray. Use pizza sauce, but we like pasta sauce. Pasta sauce. Or we could use it for french fries. Yeah, just put it in. Then we spread it. Spread it all over the pizza base. Yeah. Now it's looking like a pizza. You mean now it's cooking? Yeah. Now it's cooking. Okay. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella. Now I'm going to press it down. Ew, be careful. Don't want to hurt you, man. Poke holes on the pizza base. Pizza is about lots and lots of cheese and toppings. Let's go with the topping. We are going to use onions, capsicum, corn, and chicken. You can use any other toppings. Oh yeah. First goes the chicken. Corn and mushrooms. They're healthy on pizzas. A lot of cheese. Put some capsicum. Last ingredient is onions. You can roll this out. That's a very big pile. Sprinkle some cheese on top of it. Always cheese, huh? What about these kind of cheese? Oh, we put this cheese. Looks so wobbly, huh? Put the pizza inside the oven for 8 minutes or until the cheese melts. Well, that's in the oven. Let me get the next one ready. First, take the pizza base. Put the sauce. Oh, this way. Next, poke some holes with the fork. Almost done. It looks like a one was already here. Done. Yeah. It's too much. I can spread it. It's gonna be super spicy. No. Pizza. Next, sprinkle some cheese. Oops. You'll see what I'm doing now. You'll see. Next, add the vegetables. First, you'll have to add the chicken, then you add the corn. Yeah, that's right. Does it look like something? It looks like a smiley face. Because it is! I told the secret. The cheese looks like rice. No, actually that's the scary. Let's see what we have next. How about one of this right over here? I could use another toy. Now, yep. Yeah. You'll have to add more capsicum. Are you sure? Yeah, it's enough. Mix the onion. I know just where the onion should go. Sprinkles. Yeah. Now we'll have to add just that cheese. How do you even open this? It looks like there's not much vegetables. That's because there should be a lot of... Guess what I was going to tell. Cheese. Of course, there should be a lot of cheese, but you'll have to actually put more vegetables. I'm going to add this. And mozzarella. This. Yeah. That's mozzarella. Cheese is a lot of fun. Next, put it in the oven for baby and me. Me and Navvi are going to do this pizza base together. Yeah. After you, then me. Okay, we're done. Now let's add some toppings. Oh, yeah, we'll have to start with the chicken. Oh. Can I put some more? Yeah. And why is it called mozzarella? Oh, Navvi? Oops. I really need to have my hand washed. Now we'll have to put the toppings. In very small places I have to put like... Yep. Done? Yeah. Okay, now I'll have to put this. Mozzarella. Hey. It's just a little more. Just love it. I know you love mushrooms a lot. Okay, now we'll have to start with the capsicum next. Use your hands. It looks awesome. It looks like a real pizza. Can't you see? Yeah, you can't see. I need the next the onions. Oh, yep. I'm just so excited. Ooh, some more cheese. Just smells so nice. We need to add some more cheese. I hope it's tasty. Yeah, it would. If there was a lot. You add the cheese later. A lot of cheese should do. Oh, okay. Don't add too much of cheese, because we my other cheese. Oh well, I think I used it for the fourth pizza. Can I do some? Can I do some? It's too slippery. Can I do some? Ooh, this is gonna be good. There you go. It already looks now we're going to put it in the oven. Yay! Now I'll Our pizza is ready.
Yay!
Let's
Let's
taste
taste
it. It's awesome. Really nice. Look forward for more cooking videos. Bye.